Wonder World Kids!
Hello, little explorers. Are you ready for a game of Find the Sports Ball? Let's get started. First up, let's find the tennis ball. Look carefully. Where could it be hiding? Did you find it? Great job! Let's move to the next one. Now let's find the handball. It's somewhere here. Fantastic! Let's find the beach ball next. Look closely around the scene. There it is! Nice work! Can you find the badminton? Look for something with feathers. Great job! Now where's the bowling pin? Look closely in the corners. There it is! You're doing amazing! Can you find the softball? It's somewhere around here. Yes, you're really good at this. Can you find the ping pong ball? It's a tiny bouncy ball used on a table. Awesome! Let's keep going. Can you find the hockey puck? It's black, flat-ish, slides on ice. Awesome! You're really good at this. Where's the bowling ball? It's hiding well. There it is! You're doing amazing! Can you find the basketball? Look for a big orange ball with black lines. Did you spot it? Well done! Can you find the lacrosse ball? It's small and rubbery. Found it? Great! Can you find the kickball? It's big, red, and perfect for playground games. Fantastic! Can you find the volleyball? It's hiding somewhere. There it is. Great job! Can you find the golf ball? It's a tiny white ball near in the grass. Found it? Fantastic! Can you find the bouncy ball? It's small and bounces really high. Great work! Can you find the water polo ball? It looks like a volleyball but is used in the pool. Got it? Great job! Can you spot another softball? Look closely! Great job! Next, let's look for the bowling ball. Take a close look. Awesome! Let's keep going. Can you find the baseball? It's small, white, and has red stitches. Awesome! Where is the basketball? Look closely around the scene. Yes, you found everything.
Wonder World.